5 tips for IELTS. Tips to help you prepare for the IELTS test. Identify which sections you are strong in and where you are weak in. Work more to strengthen the areas you are weak in. For example, if you find writing difficult, spend more time practicing that section.
Create a study plan from the start. Understand what IELTS score you need and how IELTS test is administered. Then create a plan to prepare for each section.
Study IELTS material regularly. Get study material and spend time every day to study IELTS.
Practice, practice, practice. Practice will improve your skills and in turn will make you more confident.
Create a mock test environment. Practice under time pressure. Read, write, listen, and speak in the same time frame as allocated in the real exam.